Hello! In this video, I will show you how to export photos from Photoshop without losing quality. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step is to choose the right format. That is, if our photo is without background, you should choose PNG. Here, you will adjust the size correctly, and in quality, you will upload it to the highest quality. In scale, you will leave it at 100%. And here, select Bicubic. Here, you will adjust the size of your photo. And these two options do not need to be activated. In case our photo is for Instagram or some other website, we will do the following: File, Export, Save for Web. Here, select JPEG. This step is essential. In quality, leave it at 85. Why 85 and not 100? Well, this is because platforms like Instagram and other social networks, what they do is to compress our photo, and this makes that they are seen in bad quality at the moment of uploading them. So that this does not happen, we will leave the quality in 85 so that at the moment of uploading the photo, this does not happen. This is left as it is. And save, and ready. If the video was useful to you, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks!